Monday morning. Monday morning stream, boys. Why is it so dark for, bro? I don't know if this looks better or worse. It does look better. Alright, we'll just keep it as this. At the moment, we are down on the evaluations, bro. Chinese. Vietnamese. Hey. 12:05. Two areas I want to see push up into. See if we get reaction to go short, but you're gonna have to be patient. I really like this zone here. Wait till we get into here and take short. Probably continue higher one more time before getting some sort of sell. 658, 68. This could be the inverse down, but we'll wait. No rush. $8,500, Michael Karski. This is technically strong inverse. This, but see. Strong sell. don't know how loud the music is, so they're not watching anyway, but strong sell there, bro. Expect bearish price action for a little bit. This there I wanted to see a reaction out of, and we got it pretty much straight away. So we want to close underneath this 3-minute here. Crazy, so
draw futures on a napkin, then fold the corners up. Raindrops on the awning, soft percussion overhead. You say I could stay till closing in, like a thought you almost said. Quiet streets, warm cappuccino. You and me in the window glow, let the outside
warm cappuccino.
Footsteps fast like passing thoughts, headlights slide along the wall. You tap the table 5 slow times like you're daring time to stall.
Fucking aggressive sell, dude. I'll come all the way down here. Fuck me. Super aggressive. Have to go with the trend. Crazy, bro. It's gonna come straight down. Can't get involved in this. Cannot get involved here. Such a Alright, we're getting an inverse here, but I don't trust it.
Sirens make a melody, part of this electric symphony. Every shadow Washing all the busy thoughts away, just let them drift and fade away. And the skyline starts to glow for me. A million stories I can see. I feel the lift rising high underneath this endless sky. Golden haze and city lights, and this makes it feel so right. Yeah, the pulse is in my soul, losing all my self-control. Golden haze and city lights, we can own it for the night. Yeah, the pulse is in my soul, taking over all control, taking over, taking over all control, taking over all control, taking over. The pulse is in my taking over all control. We move together like the tide, nowhere to run, nowhere to hide from this energy inside. Feel the beat, enjoy the ride. We are the echoes in the street, we are the rhythm of the feet. Feel it low, feel it deep. Secrets that the pavements keep. Feel so right in the haze. Feel so right. City light. Feel so right in the haze. Feel so right. Golden haze and city lights. In this maze it feels so right. Yellow pulses in my soul, losing all my self-control. Golden haze and city lights, we can own it for the night. Yellow pulses in my soul, taking over all control. Golden haze, city lights. Golden haze, for the night. Golden haze, feels so right. Golden haze, city lights, in the haze, in the haze.
Brother, dude, come on, man.
Lift the weight, feel the rise. In the moment, open eyes.
Tricky spot. Fucking quick downward move.
Colors bloom, no more shadows in the room. A steady pulse beneath.
Well done, brother.
We've never felt this way before. You're the vision, I'm the
What
spark.
is good, man?
Through the dark. Don't look back, don't look down. We're the only ones in town.
We have just moved absolutely off a rip down.
Let the rhythm be complete. This is a good move. Sharp and true.
Hard to get involved besides of this inverse here, which I hesitated.
Touch and easy breath, the quiet life, a beautiful death. To everything we used to know, we're letting all the anchors go. No more logic, no more time. Your heartbeat is the only chime. It's a frequency of timeless soul. You're the half that makes me whole. Erase the lines, erase the noise. Find the power in my voice. On higher ground, sharp and true. Me and you, let it flow. Lift the weight,
See if we get something.
liquid gold.
Never been involved short, but we'll like a 15-minute for value gap to create, and then play off maybe this 5-minute off one of these inverses. I like this 25575 area.
Keep me steady on the last train home. Say we're more than drift and chrome. Lights slide by in silver frames. I am yours if you feel the same. Hold me close, don't look away. Let the stations fade away. I don't need a perfect plan. Only your fingers in my hand. Cold blue seats at midnight air. Window lines become a prayer. Post a smile from other lives we.
For sure.
Twilight hums. The riverside is low. Factories whisper where shadows grow. Brick and steel, they hold their ground while we drill. Hearts
Just need to be patient. Need to be patient. Need to be patient.
street light flickers, a pale gold tune, soft halos dancing under the moon.
We're in Monday Street.
And love, it fits like an old warm glove. Slow and steady, a kind of honest love.
15-minute will create in 3 minutes.
We don't quit in the quiet. Our hearts
So just gotta be patient. Be a fucking sniper.
grown softly. Cities bred
As long as I follow my one trade fucking session rule, we'll be alright. I really like this 15-minute inverse here, but I fucking hesitated. Once you get this push up, sweet. Then you get this manipulation, this here. I'm like, this is the trade. But I didn't take that, so it's alright. I expect us to manipulate and still sell down. I reckon we take this low, this Asia session.
still will grow through cracks and men.
Did I see some sort of confirmation?
It blooms in the quiet. It waits. It waits. And love, it fits like an old warm glove. Slow and steady, a kind of honest love. The world may rush, but we don't quit. In the quiet, our hearts commit.
Holy shit, man, this market is bearish, so expected, but you know, first rebound, first sell down to get it straight away is gay. This might be a no trade session if we just keep fucking zooming down in one direction. Because for me, unless I'm involved here, I can't fucking just short this blindly. The only inverse you have here is in 1 minute. You can't really take a close of this. You know what I mean? So, as much as it looks like the market's moving, it ain't moving for me. But I think this is the draw. Apologies if it's a bit of a boring stream, but it just seems super one directional. See, off this 5,000 close, you know, this as a draw is almost inevitable. But hard to get involved. Honestly, this Asia session could be fucking violent. Like, I mean, push all the way down through here if it keeps this sort of pattern. Nothing's stopping it. Daily's bearish. We've had a close underneath this daily inverse. 4 hours extremely bearish until this low. 1 hour supports it. 15 minute supports it. Everything's pointing down. Happy to take a step short, but I have to get something that I can enter on. So until then, let's hang out with some tunes. Like you just want to rip open Forza and just fucking start drifting. This is the fucking boring part of trading, bro. You see a market that's moving. It looks like it should be so easy to make money. Gotta have an entry criteria to get involved. A push above this high, manipulate again in this area would be like, take that all day. If we inverse this with speed, I expect us to come to this high, push into my original area. And this is pretty quick with this 5,000, so we'll see. I hate personally shorting at lows, right? Like, it's short here in this 1 minute gap. You can get stopped out multiple times trying to do that. Whereas if you just take it out of the original point of interest, 1 or 2, got less chance of fucking over trading. So gonna be a very boring and inactive stream. Chat dead. Me unenergetic today for some reason. A one-sided market. So wow, brother, give me something. There's so much weakness. It's an interesting song that just... It's alright. But I had terrible sleep last night.
Had it all mapped out like a superpower. When you call my name, racing across town like a tsunami. Nothing else plays.
So those. Continuing bearish as expected, but no opportunity to get in. Like you can't even go, you can't go long, can't go short because you're at the bottom of the range. Rule 101, never fucking, you know, get involved at the bottom or middle of the range, but if you're trying to go short, you don't want to get involved at the bottom. I gave the 2000. Oh, it's so like 2000.
Hold me close. Let it play. Let it play. Get it right. We're alone in the tide.
It's good, Twitch Farms, my brother. What is good, bro? How you doing today, my bro? Quite our stream today, my man. Sometimes YouTube decides to recommend my videos and there's 20 people in here, sometimes it's 0. So I just play out my tunes and fresh either I can't trim upon until tomorrow. W day, bro. It's the best way to start your week, no? Oh, this is nice. It's nice Asia movement. But I haven't been able. I got on at 12. We just fucking sold off instantly in the 1 minute. Unless I got involved here right on the open, I find it hard to enter on one-sided delivery. Just keeps going down. Missed this entry. For me, this is peak. But legit, bro. Hitting a W on a Monday. J up. For me, draw is this low first, and then 4-hour low next. Don't see much resistance to 25,000. It is an eval. It's true. Still, it still feels just as good, bro. Like, I don't know what it is about trading, but hitting on a funded feels fucking insane, obviously. But you still get a boner when you need a W. See if we can get a retest of this EMA. Wouldn't mind riding into draw. But it's an addictive sport, and it is a sport. It's a high fucking endurance athletic sport. It does feel like that. Straight out, feels like a fucking video game. See if we get like a 1 hour as well, in 10-15 minutes into the hour. Just a double bottom sort of inverse back up, but so bearish. Bro, honestly, if you look at some of my old streams, which I don't actually want you to do because they're fucking boring and I was retarded, but yeah, for me a big improvement is being able to just wait and take one trade and say I'm fucking done for the session, and profitability, bro, will come after that. If I can sit here and say I'm going to take one trade and wait for it and take it, then it only becomes a strategy issue, and then I combine the two. So, and then it's just it's gonna be a nice little recipe, but the moment I start fucking pushing the button, it's gonna be disastrous. I've got tendencies to fucking overtrade, or had tendencies to overtrade. But yes, a lot of profitable traders will say that doing nothing is your best friend. A lot of people will say that in this market right now, like, how haven't I made money because it's so clean, and I agree. But getting on here and then this just delivering like this, slow ramp up delivering, slow ramp up delivering. It's alright, bro. You've got it funded, so you're close, you know what I mean? I'm not sure if you've got payouts, but if you can get funded, you have the ability. It's just refining your system. By system as well, people always mean like strategy, but it's also just refining yourself, bro. Knowing when to not trade, knowing when to trade, when to sit on your hands. Vibe learning. Fuck. Probably 100 plus now. Yeah. Bro, to be honest, like, tilt, genuinely, it's just unnecessary. Because, like, what do you achieve out of it? What do you achieve out of pressing the button one more time? Like, we want to win again so badly. It's like, it always makes us feel worse when we fucking go on tilt. There's never a time when we've tilted and it felt fucking better. Even if we, like, tilt and then, like, pass evals or fucking make the money back that we lost, you still feel shitty. It's like retarded, but I'd rather just not trade and make no money than fucking tilt. These days, it wasn't always like that. Which sounds stupid, but my idea, follow my fucking risk rules. One trade per session, one loss stop, one win, I can take one more trade. That way I can win twice in a day, or I can win one and lose one, and I'll still be net positive. And just follow those rules. And then work on my system, refine that. Sorry if it's a bit of a boring stream as well, bro. Yeah, that's what I trade 3 as well. I start with 3, and then depending on the setup, you know, like say I want to take short here and 3 micros, here's like $100 risk, I might add 2 to make it like $150-200 risk. But if it's I'm shorting here and it's this, I might find I might need to reduce size, add size. For me, this draw since at the start of the stream has been this low, so I think we'll get it. And the way that this is moving, I think that would see like quite aggressive selling through here. If we take this low, this session in Asia, it likes to fucking trend with not many pullbacks, and then London will just come in. Like, I'm not saying this will happen, but you know, we trend down, maybe come up, take this, London might come up, and then New York, sort of middle of the range, and then we just fucking die. And then this is your Monday, and people are like, market's crashing. $25K, what prop firm? $25 Gs. Well, good luck, bro, and I hope you do it. Oh yeah, 25K, same as me, 4 hour low. 25.025. This would be my draw overall for today. We've already had the move, we already have the confirmation. Inverse is 15-minute, pushed up, inverse. New day opening gap, new week opening gap. Every reason to go lower. But I just hate shorting at the bottom. Like, I find it very hard to short here. As continuation, I probably need to like have a succinct model I can stick to. If I don't trade it. Yeah, it's crazy, bro. Sounds like you're ahead of your time, bro, so keep it up. TPT's done as well. I don't know if you follow Lanto trades. Fucking done like over $1 mil in payouts in like less than a week. That's alright. That's part of the Propfirm game, bro. Either I was resetting, blowing, all part of it. That's alright, bro. I've been down bad. We get through it. You know, you don't know what down bad can be. It can be fucking losing an account, buying a new one. It can be losing absolutely everything and having to quit trading for 6 months. It's different for every person. Someone today just, you know, passed done their last trade to get a fucking 25K Topstep payout, and someone else just fucking lost 100 grand, you know, tilting. So it's like, you versus you, bro, always. Just don't quit, and think like the person who already has the success that you envision for yourself. And the rest will work itself out, bro. And if it doesn't, you die with that mindset, so you're fucking doing the thing you wanted to do anyway. That's how I live my life these days, bro. And it helps me a lot. So, hopefully that helps, bro. Someone always has it worse and someone always has it better. You know what I mean? That's the main takeaway, I reckon. If you search for 1% improvement every day, not tilting, reviewing, trading better habits outside of trading, gym, eating, fucking mental health, spiritual, whatever it is, bro, they will compound over time. here's a decent entry. So aggressive. What'd you take? What was your trade today, bro? You're still here? Man, I think we're gonna see us die through here, bro. I really do. It's fucking this low. Long off the early dump. Yeah, I was looking at that. Once we sort of double inverse this area, taking into new wick open, yeah, it's nice. Especially on the 3 minute. This one was clean. I like that. Yeah, nice. It's just acting without hesitation, which for me, like, you know, this to me is a much better calendar than what it used to be previously, but I barely fucking traded last month. I was just dusting off cobwebs and feathers, bro, but the way I trade, I should have no issue taking a trader there. So, yeah, feels like that sometimes for sure. It always feels like that in Asia, because it's like you almost get this movement, and once this move has happened, like this, the likelihood of us just fucking around for the next like fucking hour is very likely in Asia. It's usually like, we'll go back to any Asia Open of recent. You get some nice move, you know, we get this sell-off, buy back up, and then it's just like, alright, nothing's really, you know, happening. We don't really take a draw for a while. But then sometimes it's clean. Sometimes all the movement happens before, you know, sort of 8 PM, and then we just fucking dance around. But it usually provides always something in Asia. People that say you can't trade Asia are a bit delusional. It's just a different type of trading. Once trading alone, you feel like to do this. Yeah, I do feel like that, bro. Trading is very, very lonely. It's extremely lonely. And that's the thing, like, I'm putting myself, I'm not a fucking good trader by any means. I'm just documenting for myself, you know, and for anyone that wants to fucking join along, but the hardest part is seeing people do the exact same thing you know how to do, but do it with success and make a fuck ton of money. You know what I mean? Like, you join Discords, you have mentors, and you know they see an inverse fair value gap at a 15-minute fair value gap, and they take a trade, and then they make like fucking 60 grand, and you're like, I'm doing the same thing whilst working. But you just gotta accept that they're at a different level, regardless of age. Like Lanto is still, I think, 21 or some shit, and he's just levels above anyone. But yeah, I used to trade New York, even in Australia, and I used to get wrecked. And it used to not even wreck my bank account, but it used to wreck my sleep, because it would be 2 or 3 a.m. And it was painful. And it's alright, bro. Like, my mates aren't into trading that much either, but they support, bro. They're here for the cause. You just gotta find probably a mentor that you actually like. If you're already trading well and you don't need a mentor, then plenty of free communities, bro. I want to make one as well, like for myself, just to, people to chat shit, share trades, whatever. But I'm trying to do, like, I don't know how to explain it. If it helps people, I'll do it, and I know that it probably will. But I just don't want to be one of those, like, another Discord sort of thing. But yeah, New York is fucked. It can be really, really dangerous. And once you have the skill, scaling becomes the easy part. You in any, like, you said you're in Discords. Sometimes it's good to be in Discords with people almost on the same, sort of same path as you, or same sort of skill level, but I like that constant repetition of what's possible as well sometimes. Bro, you know what? If you have a job and you're trading, as long as you don't lose more than you make, per hour, if you make $40 an hour and you work fucking 6 hours in a day, or let's say 5 hours, $200. If you don't lose more than 50k account per day, and if you're copy trading 5 a set week, can't lose really, bro. You know what I mean? But you really just have to protect the money that you do have, bro, because trading is a game of survival. There you go. So you make a 2k a week. So realistically, you can afford to, copy trade 50k accounts on no activation fee once a week. So making more money should never be the priority, because you already have enough money to do everything that you want. You want to day trade, you want to trade full time, or whatever your goals are with that, and you work, and you're trying to balance both. But you don't need more money because you already make money. And if you can successfully detach from trying to make more money and just realize that you don't need money and you can afford to trade your system, yeah, and it'll come, bro, it'll come. I have the skill to read charts. I have the skill to get payouts, bro. I've got enough 30k USD payout before, but I got scammed when a prop firm shut down. I got approved for my payout, and before I got paid out, they shut down fucking, like, one day before I was meant to get paid, or after my payout date, they just shut down. I never got paid. So that's 46,000 Australian dollars, and that was difficult, bro, because it was at the pivotal point where I was pretty much fucking becoming bankrupt, and I didn't get paid. So I revenge traded after that, lost absolutely everything,
And here we are, bro. Had to work in sales for a few months, get my money back up. And just now I have to do the same thing. Bro, I'm so grateful for it, bro, to be honest. Because although I got to the payout and I was trading more during that time, I think I probably would have, you know, not respected that amount of money, because the only reason I had money to begin with to trade full time and quit my job was because I was making too much money at the age of 21. So, like, everything, people say all the time, everything happens for a reason. Not only does everything happens for a reason, yes, true, but everything legit is meant to happen how it's meant to happen as well. Like, and we have to be forever fucking grateful the way that it does happen, bad or good. Like, if it is the worst thing in the life, you lose everything, you lose your house, you lose your car, you lose your family, you lose your fucking thing, like, that is meant to happen. Everything happens for a reason. But you have to say, like, sit there, reflect, get over it, and say, like, I'm glad that it did happen for whatever reason. That's what I do now. This is a recent thing for me, bro. Lose money today, grateful. Make money today, grateful. Lose my accounts, grateful. Going broke, grateful. Losing all my fucking nice cars and savings and investment opportunities, grateful. Because that allows me today to be patient and realize that the money I was trying to make, did I really need it? Did I really need a 40 grand payout? Yeah, it would have been nice. But did I need it? No, because I'd still be going for a walk to 7-Eleven in the morning, getting a coffee, but coming home, taste a fee for a Forza. But obviously, we're in this to make the money, so it's a double-edged sword. I just try and have my mindset in a good place, and then let life take its toll. Show up every day and let fate decide, bro. Apparently push up here, short term. We might come and retest this EMA here. I really don't like where we're sitting to get involved in anything, personally. Like, playing into draw of bias and price movement should be simple. I'd like to say I'm not happy that I couldn't get involved, but no 15-minute retracements, no 5-minute retracement. The side's in here, one time, touch and go. 3-minute was nice, slow grind up, bang. Selling into this low. It's almost guaranteed that we take it, like, free money, but I suck. It's 1 o'clock. We might just generate liquidity all fucking session, to be honest. And just keep this same thing until fucking pre-London and start to manipulate back higher. There's definitely people longing a lot of this, and they're going to continue longing, and they're going to see this sell to this low and then start longing here, and then here, and then here. Of this move here, like, you have to maintain bearish bias almost until that 4 low, 25,000. Where you based, bro? Yeah. That's a common trend these days as well. Like, everyone wants to fucking be a trader. Everyone wants to invest. Everyone thinks that if they just invest a little bit, they're gonna fucking make a lot of money. Like, there's people that have just heard of NQ for the first time. And like, oh my god, it makes 20% a month on average. Wow, 20% a year on average. I'm gonna be so rich. Oh, you're in Oregon, bro. Well, it's night time for you. Appreciate you hanging out, bro. Oregon. I've never been to Oregon. I have been to America. I've got family in America, in Sacramento. But I don't mind this university. Got a strong push, but I don't mind this 5,000. So I'm not gonna take anything. I've been to Phoenix. I've been to Reno. I've been to LA. And that's it for me. I used to work for Verizon. Verizon in Australia. I was one of their top salespeople and got flown out to America for a business trip, which was cool. But I was glad I got to see America because I reckon America's sick, and I think Phoenix is fucking amazing. Where's Oregon? Oh, that's like a nice place in America, eh? More fucking Seattle. Come on, Seattle. So it's like above, similar. Probably nice nature and things like that. Oh, mad. Shipyard journey. Is that where boats are like sort of put into the water? Or no? Yeah, mad. Yeah, I reckon it would be nice. Always niche areas in any country, like even everyone thinks Sydney's so good, but like the niche areas around Sydney, 2 hours south, 2 hours north, fucking way nicer than Sydney itself. It's always the labeled areas that everyone thinks is the best, but it's until you go, you realize that it's It's usually the niche areas, and then you're like, probably you're at a fucking age where you can appreciate that. I'm at an age where I can appreciate that. Navy birds, that's fucking sick. Alright, can I work up anything here? We have had this 23-minute inverse here. 28, nice bro. I'm 25, turning 26. So. This is the thing as well. Sometimes like, should I get a job? Because I could maintain a job while doing everything, but I go through stages. And if you enjoy what you do, that's like, man. Is still young as fuck, but I ain't gonna classify myself as old until I'm like 35. And if 35 I ain't got my shit worked out, then I'm just gonna go work at a fucking grocery store. I'm gonna kick back and just be a normal Joe. Bearish again. This is where, for me, traders start getting trapped, which is the exact reason I can't get involved. Because it's like, alright, I really want to get a trade that's fucking gonna win, so I'm gonna inverse this and take long, and then just stop out, and then as soon as it stops out, go long. And then probably slam, come take some liquidity and continue long. Summer in 2016. Probably for the better, but yeah, that's a bit fucking gay to be honest, bro. Piss test, like come on, man. Let a man smoke his fucking tree if he wants to. No stress, bro. I do as well, by the way. So, in your both, bro. Yeah, it's gay as fuck. Nah, it's fucking... That's how the world works, eh? That's how the world works. It's always someone trying to fucking do something. Trying to pull you down, or ruin you, or fucking... whatever it is, but... You're in control, bro. But yeah, gotta do what you have to do, man. I don't want to keep you... Appreciate you. You're a sick cunt, bro. Appreciate you. You gotta stay grateful. Straight up, bro. Straight up.
BRB boys, I'm gonna go make a coffee and we'll be back in a fucking real jiff, alright?
I can finally notice wherever I go. 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 I can finally notice wherever I go.
Hey. But I don't know how to let people know that I'm streaming, eh? I just fucking stream because I'm low-key scared to let people know. I just like my regulars, bro. Do you know what I mean? At the moment, I'm unprofitable. The more people that see me is a problem. I mean, all day it's just me putting on this fucking maybe story or some shit, but for now, I like it low key innit? Much love, Twitch, bro. Hope to see you back, my brother. I appreciate you a lot. Oh man, I wouldn't go far saying that, but don't G me up. I just want to be profitable, bro. To be honest, I just want to make money from trading. Like I just want to take max payouts and, bro, some of the shit I've been seeing. Like this. Like I want to be this, bro. That's it, bro. That's it. I appreciate you so much. 5 accounts, 500 bucks in drawdown. Peach, bro. Peace. Much love, bro. Thanks for hanging out. What do you reckon, Cam? One trade. Respecting my max loss of 300 bucks. Max loss per day. If I take one loss, I stop trading altogether. And if I take a win, I can trade again. That allows me to stack 2 wins in a day. And then if I take a win, I can still take a loss. So if I'm trading a 1.5 or 2R, technically a win and a loss day, I'm still up 1R. A win and a win day, I'm up 4R. And a loss day, I'm down 1R. I think I explained that to you. But at the moment, I'm sticking to it. So if I blow this, I don't give a fuck. Don't care. I just gotta work on my strategy, bro. But that's my plan. Like if I'm locked in, risk 300, make 600, risk another 300, make 600, 1.2k. Risk 300, make 600, take another trade, lose 300, plus 300. Lose 300, stop. It seems foolproof. But I don't think it is. Nah, it's foolproof. It's foolproof. I gotta believe it. I have to believe it. But I think it's a good start, and then obviously refining the system. I think I need to, yeah. Honestly, I was gonna change it to 1.5 hour. Instead of trying to fucking hold 2 hours, just change it to 1.5 hour. I watched this video. I'm gonna put it in the chat for anyone that wants it. I found it really, really insightful. I'll put this in the chat for you. And watch this. Well, it's just you can, but when you get a chance, bro. Watch that. It's very, I don't think it's that long. Yeah, it's 10 minutes. When you get a free chance, bro, chuck that on. Bro goes into fucking expectancy and shit, which like gets me horny. People talk about like that stuff, but it's really something we all know already, but just from a logical sense and how my brain works, I don't like losing trades. So why would I trade a low or high IRR system? Obviously, if you have like a 1-to-1 R system with like a, you know, 60 or 70% win rate, it's much easier to deal with drawdown number one, stack wins. So I think I'm settling on 1.5 R as well. Let me work out the numbers. And hypothetically, it makes sense. Yeah, I agree. Because you'd hate to leave half an hour on the table if your system's pretty much always sitting for 2 hours. Well, it's very hard to track your stats with Propfirm accounts. Everyone says they fucking track your stats. It's like, as soon as you tilt once, all your stats and your evals are fucked up. I'm not tilting. I don't tilt. I'm a non-tilter, but, you know, previously, it's like, how the fuck are you meant to know? Your stats are your stats for that specific account and accounts. I mean, I have to get TradeZeller. You take anything? If I don't take anything, I'm back in London 1000%. Because I think that we get this low, and you know me, you've known me for long enough now, I can't short this low. Yeah, Matt, me too, bro, me too. But I'll be back in London, because I don't think I'm going to force anything here, and I'd rather just take my nice little strong sized risk in London, where I can come in fresh, and then just fucking take the win if I do, keep trading. If I take the loss, stop, and that's it. I've reignited my passion for this shit, bro. That little period without working and shit was needed. I forget inverse here. I'm not gonna take it, but I like to see what this looks like. These two if we get a close here. I just want to see how the 2000 reacts. I'm not taking this. Nah, not Apex. I mean, I'm gonna get, if I'm being honest, bro code with everyone because, like, why the fuck not? But I don't know. And yeah, definitely not starting a Discord or a paid one because I'm in no place to, and I don't want to be that guy. But I don't. What's up, Stefan? How was your weekend, bro? Mine was good. Mine was okay. Yesterday wasn't the best day. I'll message them. I appreciate that. You're looking after me, bro. Yeah. The only firms that I trust there anyway are trust enough for these. Topstep, Tradeify, FundedNext, Alpha Futures, My Funded Futures, Lucid, TakeProfit, Apex, in that order as well, almost. Maybe not Topstep at the top anymore. And Lucid probably like here. Alpha, My Funded Futures, Topstep. But I like Topstep at the top because I'm trading them at the moment. My weekend was good, Stefan, bro. I had a good weekend, always good. But yesterday wasn't the best day. So, how was your weekend, my brother? 90% off at the moment, eh? Ooh. That is the member portal. 3 days. Yeah, it's fucking cheap. And the activations are what, like $60 now? Even cheaper? Brian Stonk. Take fucking 5 mil from him. That's alright. Sat there and got some gym hits, get ready for the week. Beautiful, bro. Gym for me will and will always remain the most important, pivotal thing that sets up everything in my life. If you are in peak physical form or peak physical commitment, let's say, peak physical commitment means you're working on improving. It is the best state to be in, bro. Regardless of if you are unhappy with yourself, where you're at in your career, trading, whatever the fuck, bro. Just that feeling of accomplishing the gym, feeling good, because you know that it's a guaranteed improvement. Fucking better than sex, bro. And being up on the week, combined with that, is like, bro, just like clonk out tomorrow forever and life is good. It's probably too deep, but yeah, that's how I feel at the moment, bro. Go gym, stick to my risk parameters, and life's great, bro. Life can get bad real quick, so I'm gonna enjoy it. Yeah, I hate this fucking range at the bottom of this range, bro. I'll probably just hang out with you as well. I really started the stream, I came in 15-minute here of this inverse, just to see us drawing up into these two areas. But once we got this reaction here, we had this 3-minute inverse close and this strong manipulation inverse. I really looked at shorting this, but I didn't. And then once we just started going one directional, I haven't really had a chance to get in. The only other inverse is here, and there's not really much benefit in me getting involved there. So I have been sidelined. But expect us to draw into this low, minimum this Asia. If we leave this low, then I'm gonna honestly expect a crazy manipulation higher. Like if we don't take this low in this session, I reckon London's gonna actually manipulate probably all of this. But I genuinely think we sell into 25,000 sometime today or early in the week. I just hate when Asia does this. It offers so much move so quickly and then just starts to slow down and then just fuck around. And then like you close the chart and then you open your chart to come back for London and we've done this. And then London fucking does this. But no other question to go against this in this session for me. And to continue, Stefan, up 727 on the week. Fucking beautiful, bro. That's what we want. Is that on last week or this week? Boys, how's the audio in terms of music versus voice? Is it okay? Still up, bro. Up is up. Okay, man. I changed it around. So now I wear a headset now. I look like a fucking spastic. Because I look better without a headset, obviously. But it allows it for some reason it allows the actual computer audio to play through the stream, like without. Before Cam, it was always playing out of my speaker and then the microphone was picking up the music. Now it's just playing how it would sound like if you played it yourself, which I like. And then I've added some filters to the microphone, so hopefully it's a bit clearer. Took a silver sale earlier, Freo, and I saw the stop on markers. What's silver doing today? Oh, nice fat dump on silver as well. In this little buy range. Man. How many people you reckon made like millions here? Just expecting this for so long. What is it? 120 all the way down to fucking 75 in a day. Crazy, bro. About wheat. I know my bro is talking about how good wheat is. Bro, wheat low-key moves clean for swing trade, so like these EMA crosses with this 5,000 is fucking, it's a bit of a G up, I can't lie. VWAP and EMA cross on the 5,000. Bro, I might have to like start trading this on a live account or some shit, bro. Because for me, with this, like my 5,000 tick chart, so my little baby girl. If I see these like fucking strong hammers and this cross, bullish hammer, cross, bearish, cross, bullish, cross, it's nice. Yeah. And then what's the other one that I have started to look at? Copper. Copper moves decent as well. How do you trade it? 15-minute chart on wheat? I think 15-minute looks alright. It looks a bit funky, but I'll get used to it. Yeah, I feel like you'd have to because candles look like a dodgy 1-minute chart. Nah, it doesn't look like it, hey. It really looks like it's low risk entries. Yeah, and it seems like that trendy type of, you know, fucking trail stop type energy as well. Yeah, being involved in this. And all this is pretty much just a 50% retracement, hey. This looks like what ES looks like on a certain like 500 tick chart with these like these bodies, which are like. So there was a period where I was fucking trading, and I was trading like ES like this with these like very. I don't know if boys can see this, but every candle here either has one body wick, one body. So like this, no top wick. This has one sort of wick. They're all equal. Anytime you see like a longer one, it almost. I used to trade this on ES. It's a bit retarded. But if you sweep and then you get these longer wicks, it just tells you there's rejection, and you usually get them at, you know, certain points. Big top wick, sell off. Big top wick, sell off. It's not perfect, but something I used to look at. $12. Took a gold sell, wish you luck. Let's have a see. Good luck, first off. I think gold sells here look nice. Bro, why am I fucking changing this whole thing around? Send me. What'd you send me? Where's my phone? Alright, let me look. One sec. My phone's on here. Of this handsome streamer. Better not be a photo of me, bro. Fuck, look at this setup, bro. What the fuck? Bro is trying to pretend like he's unprofitable. You have 4 screens and a fucking like $6,000 gaming PC. I love that, bro. I want that setup. 6 screens. Fuck me dead. Yeah, I missed the 2 on the left. Nice 15-minute inversion. Oh no. VFG. Yeah. I mean, this is such typical price action in Asia. Sell off, create this low, people think that they've caught the bottom, and it just sells back into it if we have enough bearish sentiment. We've retraded 50% of this range. We've come back into this area of the inverse as well. And at this point, it just becomes basic market structure. Might fake, but I like the idea. What do you keep on your screens? Damn. You're looking at like all of these at once, so you have different time frames? Yeah. Unless it does something like that. Fake out, continue, fake out, continue, fake out, continue. Bro, like, I need like $1 million to make use of these massive, you know, sell-off opportunities. Bro, it's like that for me. What's this saying? Sorry boys, one sec. 4764 on entry, break even. Nice entry. I mean, ideally you want to see that 5-minute rip down and then leave that open and then just fucking sell. That's what I'd be wanting. But I actually reduced my screen, so I had 3 screens before, now I have 2. And I low-key missed the third. I'll be honest, I low-key missed the third. It was really helping my productivity. Alright, we got that low on Asia finally, and we are ripping through it, as expected. Like, I wish I have the confidence to just be able to get in a short, knowing that this draw is very likely, but I'm just not that guy. And I have to be okay with knowing that my system, if I repeat this, I'm probably going to lose a lot of the time. Look, for me, if I'm going to go long here, which I don't mind the idea, I'd need like at least a 3-minute inversion. Or at least like a 2000 tick inversion at the very minimum. Like reclaim this. Like that. Or maybe I'd sus. 1 hour fair value gap. Yeah, I did see that. For me, I'm framing this as a daily inversion, and then this as pretty much being all inversed to take out this low. Is how I'm framing currently, but I think that it has to come up at some point to generate the liquidity. But we've taken that low as well, hey. A lot of liquidity over there. Quick reclaim. Bro's up 20 points already, instantly. Is this our current spread? Oh no, that's the price of that. 26 points. Pretty much a 1-minute inverse off the rip here as well. Not taken, but I'll see. And that's how it's done, ladies and gents. I'm not taking this, boys, just for confirmation. I'm just trying to see how 1-minute inversion. I don't like 1-minute inversions personally, unless it's like framed with supporting 15-minute, 5-minute, and 1-minute MMXM type shit. Like I was sort of backtesting a little bit in the morning and was noticing if we use this day's price action, we use this inversion, we can use this normal 15-minute fair value gap, and we can use this inversion. I'm just thinking out loud right now, but anyway. Reduce this down to either a 3 or 5-minute chart, supported by another 5-minute inversion here as well. And where was the, I think there's a 3-minute inversion here anyway. But when you reduce these down, if it's within 15.5 structure, then you can really wait for like the micro manipulation, whether it's here or here. or these sort of things as well. Some I might want to test out. The same thing here. Once we inverse all of this, reclaim above here. I need the 15 minutes to support it for myself, because I'm so used to fucking getting stopped out on this shit. Gold printing for you. Nice, bro. Retraded that 5 minute and slammed out of it, eh? Beautiful. Exactly what you want to see. For me, even this 5,000 tick closure here is like peak. Peak. 30-second range. Son. First house printed. Oh, yeah, 30-second chart. Zoom out. Zoom out. I'm assuming it's this one, after fading a push high out of it and then inversing it. That one. Yeah, this leg here. You want to see it respect, push higher, and as soon as we close on the, you're shorting this weakness. I like it. It's similar to what I'm like looking for. You're just combining the same 15 minute with 30 second. But I struggle with it for a long time because if I entered on a 30 second and I got stopped out in like less than a minute, I feel like I need to trade again. Now I think I could manage taking trades on a 1 minute chart, honestly, and still taking one trade and being done. But I would just need to be super patient and wait for something that I understand. Like here, this 15 minute, I really like because it's an old 15 minute fair value gap with an inverse. And the fact that we had rejected in here 3 times when we came into 12, like inversing even this on a 3 minute is like, I should be taking this all day with bias being in place. This is like, should be the trade that I take. But I didn't act on it today, so I don't want to get revengeful, and I'm alright with sitting out for now. Worst case, I'll come back in London. Don't revenge trade the same idea, Cammy boy. There's no need, bro. Yeah, and this is why I don't really understand my whole minute inversions yet, clearly. Because there's probably no context in why I would take an inversion here. Boys, one sec. I just got a text. I need to have a phone call real quick. I'm still here. I'll be back in less than a few minutes, alright? I'm just gonna go outside on my balcony. One sec. I'm speaking like the microphone isn't fucking here. One sec, please. It's good, Dog Monkey. What's up, bro? Good today, my man. Good, good, good. No trades for me. Plenty of opportunity to get short, but for me, like, it was so one-directional. One NQ short today. So I sort of hesitated early and then hesitated on every follow-up as well. I'm more happy that I'm protecting capital rather than fucking trying to trade everything I see.
So I'm just gonna maintain that stance at the moment, and then work on execution purely. Because if I maintain my loss parameters, profitability, in my opinion, will take care of itself. And then obviously if it's a strategy issue, it's a strategy issue specifically. How you doing today, bro? Any trades? I think we're going to be bearish all fucking session. I think we're already out of the session for me. 12 to 2 was time. But I think we keep selling off. Probably see us fucking trade back into like this. And then Spion. It would be. Bro, just fucking ranging on the liquidity is gay as hell as well. Nice. So you're out for the day, bro. Like an oath. Anyone that's short early, it's trailed here, and it's trailed here. So there's definitely liquidity for me above here. Some sort of opportunity to get along back into this area, into that 15 would be like spectacular. But again, I don't want to go against trend. Like the short opportunities here. Be the guy longing because I didn't get to take a trade. You know what I mean? Sorry, Cam. Not to say you can't make money long, but no, because I know you're longing here. I said I don't want to be that guy, but that's just me. I think it can push up. I think there's liquidity above here for sure. Yeah, I know. The way you trade makes sense. And we're playing it above this 2000 too. I'll wait a bit. I'm going to have a hard cut-off at 2:30 so I can go gym and whatnot. And then if I don't take a trade, come back in London, one in the chamber for today and maintain that. So every time I open a new tab, it always fucking does that. How you framing the long and how much you up, dude? Nice. Are you just buying into weakness, like knowing that it will pivot? Yeah, wait in and very slow at closing by. Shit sounds like it's in some fucking GTA 5 nightclub techno music, bro. I don't know how value area low works early on in the Asia session, seeing as though I guess not many people would trade it, but it really does fucking, you know, reject, push through, reclaim value area high, straight to value area low. Completely expected this whole thing. Again, it means nothing if we can't execute on it. Not taking this. This is Cam's trade. 20 point stop, I'd imagine. And what are you targeting? I mean, off the 2008 and like that. Just for a quick ripper. Got exactly what you wanted, eh? Beautiful move. What a life, eh? Fucking walk in, press a button, fucking wait for 30 minutes, make a couple grands. Nice move, but legit to the OT on the dime. Stat with 5-minute inversion, stat with 15 minutes, stat with everything, to be honest. I'm struggling with that, if I should trade gold in Asia, based on how it's been moving. Pretty shit that day, good this day. Okay. Shopping. Okay. From an RR perspective, it's a no-brainer. That's all that matters. I really like futures, but I used to trade Forex as well. Yeah. It's mad, but if you have the skill, you can apply anywhere. It's just nice in futures to be able to trade any
pretty much any time that allows you to trade. I think that's one of the biggest benefits to futures. You can legitimately just trade when you can trade and find the thing that moves when you trade. Like with Forex, trading in Asia session, you fucking entry price is here, you enter and your spread is like here. And then you're fucking trying to make up this difference just to be break even. I do not miss that. Stop 325. Flip for a cam. Oh, yes. Pump, 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 pump. I love this song, man. Such a bearish Asia session. Sun's all there. I'm gonna mark out this low on this Topstep as well, just so I can track. What it comes. Nice flip for you. That's nice, eh? For you. At least to retest 375, which is your TP. Just needed to fucking hold. What time we're at? That's 2:21. I'll give it another 10 minutes. I don't think I'm going to catch anything this session personally, but I'll come back in London. Fuck, that was an aggressive crack. Yeah. Like you'd be fucking nuts hanging out of your fucking ball sacks right now. But when you're trading on such a fucking small time frame, that flip can happen so quickly. I mean, worst case, yeah, nothing wrong with that. Come on, bro. Flip. Flip, flip, flip. Man, it's really tightened up, hasn't it? We've got 100 points, which is a lot of volume, 2 hours. But then we also had 100 points in 15 minutes here. And then 160 in 30. Nothing for me today, bots, bro. Right idea. Good level as well. But failed to execute in this area here. And then once I saw this move down with aggression off I don't short 1 minute gaps like this. Once we're here and we're already at this low pretty much, like I can't get in here for myself. So nothing for me. The only thing that I really liked was this. And I know it seems like I wanted the top ticket, but maybe I could have inversed this. Not worth it for me. So nothing for me today, but I'll come back in London and I will come back fresh, no trades. So I'll take my 1L for the day, or 1W, 2 Ws, 1L, 1 win. Yeah. It's 3 minute. Yeah, I really like this. Like I stopped trading straight away as soon as it opens. Common at 12. And pretty much this first candle here was the 12 o'clock candle. So that's why I sort of hesitated. But the framing was there, so it shouldn't be a reason why I didn't enter. But this move up to fill in here, and especially off the 15 minute, we had this, what was it, on the 5 minute or the 15 minute? There's a devil mark somewhere. Or was it the 1 minute? I forget, anyway, it doesn't matter, it's irrelevant. But this move here was nice. Come off the field. Getting this inverse here. You still in this, or did you get taken out? Yeah. Stop loss is 330. Quite a bit of room. Definitely have room. I'm not in this, anyone that's watching as well. I'm just tape reading with Cam based on his trade. I'm fading you. Nah, I could never. Could never, bro. Bots, I've been trading for
Oh, now, bro. Probably since I was 19, 6 years, full time. Like when I started, I was trading like stocks on Comsec and like it's trading like fucking Aussie mining stocks and shit, lithium companies, and then put money into a brokerage when I didn't know how to trade and I tried copy trading someone. I put 50k into an account and I lost 25k on a cruise because I convinced myself that I could make money on a cruise on holiday. I lost 25k in 3 days and then I quit for 6 months. And I came back while still working in sales, traded Forex. Actually learned pretty quickly, got my first payout, had momentum, quit my job, lost a fuck ton of money. Traded full time now for 1.5 years and then quit again for 6 months after I lost everything recently. Last, like, middle of 2025, worked in sales for a few months and yeah, now we're back. But all up 6 years, full time, 1 or 2 years, 6 years with no success. I'd say I've had some success, but I just haven't materialized any of it. It's alright, Cam. Bro, micros and gold in the current market state, like, I almost feel stupid for not jumping on the opportunity. Gold right now is like what crypto was, where it's just like you fucking wake up and go long. You don't even need a strategy. I'm not saying you don't have a strategy, but like the shit's just going up, or has been going up until recently. So if you're having success with it, bro, just capitalize on it. Capitalize on what's working. Get some accounts, try pass, try get funded, try scale yourself. You never know what's possible, bro. Life could change. You're at 4.6k, that's probably the same or more than any normal job. I'm not sure how old you are, bro, but it's a huge amount of money, you know, to be able to fucking click buttons on a computer and then fucking have 12 hours to 19. It's fucking crazy, bro. You know, when I was 19, I was working at a nursing home at uni, so I was probably making no more than $800 a week. So no more than maybe, and that was Saturday and Sundays, like with like the bonuses, 50% and 100% Sunday bonus. Like, so it felt like I was fucking making a lot of money at the time, but I was working at a nursing home. 19, bro, you got fucking plenty of years ahead, plenty of market cycles, plenty of markets, plenty of fucking, you know, for as long as super funds, for as long as businesses, for as long as technology, for as long as companies exist, markets themselves aren't going anywhere. So the skill of trading is simply just a transition of intelligent, smart people money into, or sorry, dumb, unintelligent retail into, you know, more intelligent, smarter people like yourself. So just keep doing it, bro. And don't be hard on yourself if it goes poorly. And if it goes well, then fucking earth, bro, just enjoy the ride. Bro, TJ got shit for fucking no reason, in my opinion, bro. Maybe he has a course, maybe people are jealous that he makes a lot of money, but he's built his whole life through trading. Whether it's profitable trading or not, no one actually knows, and no one should give a fuck, right? Because it's not what it's about. At the end of the day, like, I can say that, you know,
all you need is a 1 hour chart and a fucking candle print, right? Like for me, I've been heavy on this 5,000 tick chart and just looking at candles, and I look at candles for places of rejection, places of support, places of continuation, and this is just one time frame. Everything makes money, bro. It's just how you use it. I like TJ, bro. I think he's fucking sick, huh? He's younger than me as well. Probably gay as hell to say, but bro, he just fucking drives a Koenigsegg. Lives in Puerto Rico. Dumb money to a little bit dumber to average money to smart money. Facts. Legitimately, that's just the cycle. There you go, bro. A 69% win rate, regardless if it is a 1R minimum, you're profitable with that system. You just have to stick to it, bro. Like, I can't stress that enough. Like, if you flip a coin, but you have a guaranteed 69% win rate, would you not? You know, with obviously bankroll management of like 3 to 5% per trade, would you not full port every time? That's perfect, bro. 2R, 69% win rate. I don't know which one it is. There's a website. I'm not going to detract away from what I was doing, but there's a website that you can plug in your risk and your win rate, and I'll just show you like what hypothetically, you know, lose 6 trades in a row or lose 4 trades in a row, and what you can expect. It's helpful to see. But 2R win rate, 2R system, and 69% win rate, bro, is all that you need to start making more money than anyone your age, and probably anyone that's fucking older than you as well. You're doing better than I am, bro. I can't even say that I have fucking a win rate. I don't even know what my win rate is. But 64% trading live as well is really, really fucking strong, bro. So keep it up. I mean that genuinely. Let's keep it up, bro. Like even I have quite good understanding of where I want price to go. My issue is always failing to execute properly on what I see. My only issue is now I'm scared to enter my Topstep. I took all those trades. Yeah. Try to detach yourself from the eval, right? Because it's like, our brain with Propfirms works in 2 ways. We think that passing an eval is going to make us successful. Like, instinctively we think, like, if I pass this eval, I will be a profitable trader. And if I get funded, I'll be able to make money. That's my thought process, right? Or has been, or was. An eval is designed for you to fail. Most people know that by now. So, that shouldn't be your concern, right? Concern should be doing the same thing that keeps your win rate at 64-69% and sticking to your 2R. And if you fail the account following that, it's legit okay. You know what I mean? There's nothing wrong with following the 2R system that gets you a 69% win rate and then risking 250 and losing 8 trades in a row and blowing it. There's nothing wrong with that. And I know it feels counterintuitive, bro, but yeah, it's normal. It's normal to hesitate because you know that there's potential on the line. Like, I'm hesitating to take this trade because I know if I lose the trade, I'm putting at risk my opportunity to make money. That's how our brains work. But then that completely, what's the word? It's completely limits our ability, right? Because you've already proved that you can do it. It's a pattern of thinking. I still struggle with it as well, so I'm not trying to say I'm fucking some guru, bro, but like I genuinely think that you're way ahead of your time to be 19 and already, you know, me and Cameron are much older, you know what I mean? I got 6 years on you, bro. You keep doing what you're doing for 6 years, and that's normal as well. Because when there's like that's legitimately it. Like there's no risk with trading on paper, but to be able to, for me, I can't trade on paper because I'm like 100k account, fuck it, 20k trade. That's me. But if you can maintain your risk on on paper, to be able to stick to $250 risk and build up the stats to say that you have a 69% win rate with 2R is very good. I'm gonna throw him under the bus, bro. Bro's 19 and he's fucking doing better than we are, man. We gotta hype him up. But also, you know. But I love sitting. You're 18, fuck. I didn't know that. Nah, genuinely, bro. I wanted to trade full time when I was 19. I asked my mum and I was at uni. And she just wasn't having it. My mum's a single mum and I didn't want to stress her out, so I just threw in the towel for a bit and finished uni. But again, as I say, if you see, grateful for everything. So that job or that uni degree helped me have an understanding of a lot of things. Ended up working in sales for 2 years and allowed me to make money to be able to trade full time and really learn the skill. So wherever you're at in life, man, you're 19. You've got 6 years to develop to just get to the point where I am now as an unprofitable 25-year-old. If that doesn't G you up, bro, on the drop as well, I don't know what will, bro. But yeah, keep doing what you're doing, G. Alright. So it's 240, gents. And you know what that means. To stick to my rules, I said I was going to get off at hard 2:30 and I've already gone 10 minutes past. So to allow myself to be a man of my word, which I already haven't been, I'm going to have to end the stream, which I don't really want to do because I'm having fun hanging out. But genuinely expect us to just keep generating this liquidity downwards, keep going lower, taking out stops, displacement inverse back into this 15-minute gap, and then anywhere here for continuation lower, either in London or New York. But for now, I'm gonna keep my eye on this. I don't really like trading off stream because I like documenting everything for myself. But I think there will be opportunity to catch some sort of long as soon as I turn off the stream, probably. But super nice Asia price action, to be honest. ICT 2022 mentorship, market structure shift, break of structure. Holy fuck. Hella confident in my strat for that. I'm just on psychology. But, brother, fuck anyone that tells you it should take a certain amount of time, alright? There's a guy out there that started trading today and will get a fucking $25,000 Topstep payout in a month's time. And there's a guy out there that's been trading for 20 years and still can't work the shit out. Like, the thing is, we live in a world, bro, where everyone will tell you things from their own experience. Everything that I say comes from me wanting to trade, wanting to be a day trader, quitting my job, losing money, lessons that I've learned by losing all this money, to get me to a point where I can say confidently that you're doing well. But if someone tells you it should take you 3 to 6 years, and if it doesn't, like that's retarded. I can't tell you how long it's gonna take for you. All I know is that by the sounds of it, you have the things that make you profitable in progress and probably already on the way, bro. So, high win rate, good IRR, sticking to your system, proving yourself in a live environment, whether it's fucking whatever it's called, like demo or whatnot. But you need to believe, bro, and I'll leave the stream with this, just speaking to you directly, believe that you can do it earlier than anyone can tell you. You know what I mean? Believe that you can be the 20-year-old trader in your class or in your fucking friend group or in your circle or in your family that is that guy, that sticks to his plan, makes money, and fucking is him, bro. Just believe you're that guy. And anyone, you want to be able to go back to whoever told you that it's going to take you 3 to 6 years, say, fuck you, dickhead. Fuck you, over and over again. Because this guy is holding you back from your true potential, essentially, bro. You know what I mean? And same applies to me. I've held myself back from my true potential for many, many years. And the only thing that's changed recently is I'm more patient and I have more belief. And as long as those two things stay intact, I couldn't care what happens, bro. I can become profitable this year, this month, next year, next decade. I don't give a fuck. Just me versus me, bro. And it's you versus you as well. And that's alright, bro. I hope you go and do great things, my man. You know what I mean? Gold hit my TV on a 3-minute shot. Fucking oath, bro. 1.5k. You copy trading? That's right, bro. That's what I mean, bro. Sometimes I don't take a trade. It's not about me, bro. It's just about fucking, trying to help out any way that I can. And I hope it does help, bro. Gold hit TP. Almost shot. Fuck, bro. It's really moving, eh? I thought about that as well, eh? Trading individually. I feel like if I follow models, I fail more. Yeah. Oh yeah, I mean, sorry, copy trading accounts like this, like scaling. I don't like copy trading either. That's why streaming used to scare me, because I didn't want to be the reason people get in. But thankfully, I'm unprofitable, so I tell people, do not copy me. I got no idea what I'm doing. Yeah, it's true. But I guess you just get into futures. You find, Stefan, that a lot of these dudes making the big monies, they've got this happening on like fucking 7 prop firms. Not sure where you're at, but that's just how a lot of these guys are playing the game. 5 on Topstep, 5 on Tradeify, 5 on Lucid, 5 on my funded futures, 20 on Apex. And next thing you know, you're making fucking 6 figures a fucking fortnight. And you're like making everyone feel shit about themselves, to be honest. But that's right, bro. That's right. But yeah, boys, I'm gonna hop off now. I'm gonna go to the gym, do what I need to do so I can come back for London. Yeah, and it's just that it's just unbeknown amount of trust that you're gonna go through to put yourself in a position where you can confidently fucking press the button when you have 60 accounts connected. Nah, and I don't think it gets any easier. That's what I mean. There's some people that just have it at 20, and there's some people that will never have it at 40. And for that question, bots, I'll be honest, barely ever journaled, and that's probably a big reason why I'm stuck where I am. I journal my thoughts, I journal my emotions, and I journal affirmations and gratitude to give myself belief. But yeah, I'm with Stefan on this one, and I don't think this is good. I think you have to learn what you prefer. But for me, journaling felt like a forced action that I didn't see benefiting me, so I stopped doing it. For me, what's more important is journaling what I want to achieve, what I'm grateful for, so I actually realize the things that I want to achieve aren't really that important. And I do this as well. I review. So at the end of the week, I want to come here and I want to say, did I follow my risk one trade? And these are mental, like I'm a visual person, you know? Yeah, it's the same as anything. Cheat in your relationship, trust is broken. Cheat in your system, trust is broken. A lot of these things apply in all realms, but for me, bro, journaling, I don't really enjoy. I do this. After I take a trade, I'll take a screenshot of my chart and save it in a folder. And then if my trading's poor, I can go back through and see when I was taking profitable trades, what was I seeing, what was I not. I guess in a way it sort of is a journal. But I'm not going to sit there and, this is me personally, I'm not saying don't do it, but I'm not going to sit there and say, answer this question, did I stick to my plan? Yes. How many R was my trade? This. It's like, markets change, fucking we change, situations change, you have an argument with your fucking partner or your family, and next thing you know, you fucking, there's so many factors, bro. So many factors. Exactly that, bro. If it's working, just keep doing it. PC specs, yes, then. Honestly, I've been running the same PC for too long. Need an upgrade soon. Old PC now. I missed on an opportunity. I was gonna buy a 5080 7800 X3D when they were like 3K, and the fucking RAM prices now have just made it stupid to even think about fucking buying a new PC, so I'm gonna hold off. It still runs alright. It still runs games on medium to high, so it's fine. You know, I'm not. Yeah, it does the job, bro. It's a pretty nice PC as well, to be honest. Like, it looks cool. When I mark this out, I'm not taking this, but this is legitimately the 5,000 that I like to see. Previous sweep, hard close. I'm not taking this, but I just want to come back and see how this works out. Some specs, rec 3060. And I wouldn't be targeting 3 hour, 1.5 hour. Yeah, it's alright. It's alright. I just. Like, it's actually not that bad, 3.8, but these were like 3K recently, you know? This is actually. But see, this is what they're doing now with computers. They're putting in a 5080 with a fucking 16GB 5200 Hertz RAM. Fucking retarded, bro. Like, at least this is alright. CL36 is okay. This is alright. It's actually decent. That's not bad at all. But it's just annoying because these were 3K. And this is why I don't like trading at this point. See, because this is where it's like, come through this session, see it go down, and it's like, alright, now I really want to make money on the session because I missed the more likely move. And so now I think because I see something here, I'm going to go long and then just lose money. So instead of that, I just need to, like I said, it's 252. I'm getting off, boys. I gotta get off. Because I'll start to, this is a thing for me. Like, I'll just start playing fucking ideas in my head. I'm gonna leave it here and see how it reacts anyway, so I can come back to it. cope trades, yeah. This would be a cope trade, like for sure. Because there's how many opportunities to join in this short, and I'm out here trying to flip long when I've had a short bias, like 0 cents at all. Plenty of opportunity to just join in short and make money with relatively minimal pullback. You know, anyone that got in here has been able to trail pretty comfortably. So anyway, boys, it's 3 o'clock. I've got to go gym, be done by 5, come home on the stream at 7, and just keep showing up every day, and then hopefully we can turn these fucking Topstep accounts around and, you know, start making some money. And as long as that takes, it will take. Until then, we tune out, we protect the money that we have, we enjoy our fucking lives for what they are in the current day, and we move forward, boys. So much love, boys. Appreciate you all for hanging out, anyone that's still here. Especially Yazdan, my brother. I didn't say hi properly, but it's been a minute, my bro. Hope you've been well. But Stefan, Cam, Bots, Yazdan, all the bros, all the boys, appreciate you all, my mans. And yeah, I'll be back in London. See how we catch. 1L, we stop. Back in Asia tomorrow. Pretty much all week. Streaming Asia and London. Only London tomorrow. Possibly not, because I have a soccer game and I don't know what time that is. But besides that, Asia and London every day. 12 to 2, 7 to 9 Oz time. And then New York, that's 8 p.m. to 10 and 3 to 5 a.m. So yeah. Much love, boys. I will catch you in a few hours if you are hanging out for that. Especially you can, because I know you like that London stream, my man, and so do I. Adios, much love, and goodbye. Much love, peoples. I really appreciate it, as always.